In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly share a Google Docs file with others. Whether you're collaborating on a team project, sharing notes with classmates, or simply looking to get feedback from a friend, Google Docs makes the sharing process incredibly straightforward. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your Google Docs file. This process starts by navigating to docs.google.com in your preferred web browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. So enter your credentials and you'll be ready to go. Once you're on the main page of Google Docs, locate the document that you want to share. It's important to ensure you have the correct document open so that you're not inadvertently giving access to the wrong one. With your document open, turn your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a prominent blue button labeled Share. Clicking this button will open up all the sharing options available to you. This button is your gateway to collaborating with others, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the Share button, you'll see a dialog box labeled Share with People and Groups. This is where you'll specify who you want to share your document with. You have a couple of options here depending on how you want to manage access. Let's explore the first and most common method, sharing with specific people. In the Share with People and Groups field, you'll type the email address of the recipient. Be sure to enter it correctly to ensure that the intended person receives the invitation to view your document. Once you've entered the email address, you'll see a drop-down menu to the right. This menu is crucial because it allows you to determine the level of access the person will have to your document. Here, you have three permission levels to choose from: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. If you select Viewer, the person can only read the document and will not be able to make any changes. This option is perfect if you simply want to share information without the risk of alterations. The Commenter option allows the person to read and leave comments on the document. This is particularly useful if you're looking for feedback but don't want any changes to be made directly by others. Finally, granting editor access will let the person read, comment, and make changes to the document. This is ideal for collaborative efforts where input from multiple contributors is necessary. An optional but often useful step is to add a message along with your invitation. This is a great way to provide context or specific instructions for the person you're sharing with. Once you've configured the access level and written any additional messages, simply click Send. Your document is now shared, and the selected individuals will receive an email with instructions on how to access it, and there you have it.